Take a step back today, dear Pisces, and I say this because there's a temptation to make lots of decisions. It's not the day for it. You don't need to make lots of decisions. You don't need to make lots of plans. It's not the right time. Now, I'm smiling because I can see the temptation of I can do things this way, that, and that's the chopping and changing of the Pisces. Right now, and I'm just talking about today, take a step back and leave the decisions and all the plans and all the, what is it? Are they plans? Yeah, we'll just call them all the plans that you could potentially spend hours and all of your time creating and get really excited about. But really what you're doing is just avoiding some of the important things that are in front of you that need to be taken care of in your life. You don't need all those plans to have certainty, and you don't need to make 10 different decisions today to have certainty. If you're feeling uncertain, the most powerful thing you can do is be present with a part of you that sits in uncertainty. That's it. Don't try to change that part. Don't manipulate it. Don't tell it anything different. Oh, we do have certainty. Look, we have certainty here. No, none of that stuff is true, useful. It doesn't work. You don't need it. You can't manipulate different parts of yourself. And I think a lot of people try to do that by soothing parts of themselves, by sitting with parts of themselves and having conversations to pep talk and get that part of themselves up and out of whatever space it may be. And that's not what that part of you needs. It needs one thing and one thing only, and that is present moment awareness. Nothing more than that. So the part of you that is in uncertainty just requires your company.